Oh yeah, he's getting out. I wish his truck was white so you could really tell how dirty it is in the video. Holy shit. Oh, I almost got her. It's so fun. He's so close. I know.
Oh, I didn't keep trying.
Oh, I think he could have had us.
Yeah, he's not as far as he was.
He'll get it this time. I'd say. Oh my god.
Sorry, get up off me. I knew you wouldn't give up. Holy fucking Jesus. Look at my God. Boys, I don't give a fuck. That's my new chair. I'm going through that again. Do it.